Okay, for login into the system as an admin, you have to input your username, and then the password is by default admin123. So you can reassure your password, and then you have to choose your role, whether you're an administrator or a staff. Okay, if you give the credential for the administrator and then you put the role as a staff, when you click login you can't enter, but if you give the role as an administrator, so you can enter successfully. So this is the dashboard where you can control everything to enroll new staff and then manage the staffs you already added. You can delete the staffs, and then the access logs, who made an entry or exit from the office, and then the last one, the settings for the administrator to make sure it's connected to the valid system. Okay, you have to synchronize the correct IP address to connect with the system, and then you can see the system information, how many staffs you have, and the total access log, and then the system status, and then the admin door control. This is one button especially for the admin to open without any records. This privilege is only for admin. Okay, and then the fingerprint maintenance is for clearing all the fingerprints when there is a clash between fingerprints or staffs. Okay, now we will try to log in as a staff. Okay, as a staff you have to give your staff ID. For example, it's KYPG, and then the password is the phone number what you used to enroll as a staff. For example, for this KYPG user, the phone number, as an example, I gave 12345. Okay, so this is the phone number as a password, and then okay, we will try an administrator. Okay, you can enter. You give the staff, login. Okay, this is the staff dashboard where you can use this button to exit from the office, and you can view your informations here, and then the recent activities just as a future function. It's not functional for now. Okay, then you can log out from here. Okay, now if you want to enroll a new staff and register their fingerprint, you have to add their full name, staff ID, phone number, department, and email. From here it will take the staff ID as a username to the staff login, and then the phone number as the password. Okay, when you want to register your fingerprint, click the start fingerprint scan, and then you have to keep your fingerprint in the fingerprint sensor. Okay, now your fingerprint is enrolled. You can enroll the staff. Okay, now when you go to the manage staff, you can view the new staff details. Okay, now to manage the staff, you can view the staffs here in manage staffs tab, and then you can even delete the staff from here, for example, and then when you ask, yeah, you can delete it. And then in the access logs, you can view the timing when you want to view their entry and exit. You can filter out. Okay, then you can even export into CSV file. That's all. Okay, follow the instruction, then you're able to enter into the office. You will show your username, and then this is admin door control. Okay, this is specially for admin to open for anyone without record. Okay, wait, let me show you. When I click the admin door, the door will be opening like this. Okay, now we will check how the IR alarm system works. Okay, for example, now the alarm system is turned off. You open the door. Okay, there is no alarm. When you use the fingerprint sensor, no alarm. Okay, when it's outside of office hours, you turn on the alarm system, and then you try to open the door, either it's from inside or outside. Okay, open door, the alarm will be beeping and there will be a notification showing in your phone. Okay, and if you want to turn off this alarm, you have to turn off the alarm system and then turn on again. Okay, now I'm keeping the fingerprint. When turning on the alarm, the same happens. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.